Director SEC said XRP has no chance of success in court. XRP to $0. Ripple. Bradley Garlinghouse and Kristen sent a response to the Securities and Exchange Commission in the case of Ripple v. SEC. The notice concerns the SEC's request to edit part of the case notes. However, the defendants stated that they did not dispute the SEC's amendments. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. The confirmed respondents mentioned that they had not viewed the edited parts of the notes. Meanwhile, the commission even submitted unedited versions to the court. According to Ripple, they are submitted to the SEC's representation regarding the bank in the court. The notes mentioned by both amounts are handwritten notes taken by the SEC withdrawals at meetings between commissions and particle parts. It is reported that in 2014 and 2018, the court should consider these comments to see if they were really related to these parts of the reflection of the author's own thoughts or the discussion among SEC employees during the meeting. However, the defendants have made it clear that they currently do not want to challenge the SEC amendments. Attorney James K. Phelan suggested Ripple postpone the court's decision to decide whether open censorship of parts of the DPP outcome is protected. However, until now, both versions of the notes have only been in circulation to the court and the Securities and Exchange Commission. Phelan said that this answer was given not only by Ripple, but also by all the defendants in the case. Thus, 2 weeks before the response should have started when certain defendants filed. He hinted that they might introduce him after April 8. Previously, Estabrook's notes were in the spotlight, and now these notes have hit the headlines. The development of cases is delayed due to some unnecessary income. However, Judge Sarah Net Byrne ordered both sides to agree on a briefing schedule for summary judgment. Both sides are expected to submit a joint proposed timetable order by April 22. The ongoing Ripple vs. SEC saga continues. The SEC has filed a lawsuit against Ripple for allegedly trading the XRP token as an unlicensed security asset, indicating the need for clearer regulation in the industry. Ripple's lawyer commented on the latest developments and predicted further lawsuits from the SEC. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against Ripple has undergone many twists in the lengthy proceedings between the regulator and the cryptocurrency exchange. The cryptocurrency community and regulators from around the world have been closely following the landmark case, and its results are important for the future of many cryptocurrency exchanges. The theatrical nature of the trial even led to the fact that the cryptocurrency-based content platform mContent actually released its documentary, Ripple vs. SEC Saga, which will be shown in the metaverse. Ripple's fair notice argument was upheld by Judge Torres, who rejected the SEC's motion to dismiss that argument in March, and also upheld the suggestion that the SEC did not have to prove that Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen knowingly violated securities laws. The SEC's examination department recently released a report outlining the technological, legal and regulatory risks associated with protecting crypto assets and stating that crypto companies should reflect the asset and the corresponding liability in their balance sheets at fair value. The SEC representative noted the following. Inspections of market participants dealing with crypto assets will continue to check the storage mechanisms of such assets and evaluate the supply, sale, recommendations, advice and trading of crypto assets. Quote, Ripple's lawyer John E. Deaton reacted to the regulatory body's news by tweeting the following. The SEC is making up shit on the go. The war continues. I predicted an SEC lawsuit against one or more exchanges by the end of the summer. I still believe it. Quote, this will mean that liquidity providers and automated market makers will have to comply with the new rules and register with the SEC if digital assets are added to their balance sheets, leaving them open for review by the U.S. regulatory authority and possibly for potential legal action. Defendants Ripple Labs, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen submitted a response to the SEC's request for permission to edit parts of the handwritten notes of SEC employees. In short, the SEC submitted unedited versions of the notes to the court, and the defendants did not have the opportunity to get acquainted with the edited parts, because they are protected by the right of deliberative process. The defendants indicate that they must rely on the court's consideration of the SEC submissions as to whether the edited parts are clearly the author's own opinion, or reflect discussions or communications between SEC employees during the meeting. The defendants have not yet challenged the SEC's edits, but reserve all rights with respect to these documents, since it is not clear whether they are appropriate any edits, given that there was no specific discussion process on the issue under consideration. As expected, April turned out to be a crucial month for Ripple vs. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, lawsuit. Judge Sarah Net Byrne detailed the SEC's request to leave redacted portions of the handwritten notes of SEC employees. Now the court has ordered the commission to submit the proposed amendments for a closed investigation by April 8, 2022. Information about the cases has already been transferred to the court, which relied on the consideration of the court and the commission's image of these notes. Now the court will decide whether these notes are a meeting with a reflection of their own thoughts or a discussion among agency employees. Interestingly, attorney James K. Phelan shared part of Judge Net Byrne's January 13 ruling regarding this memo. The finding appeared in the establishment that the SEC may possibly leave the edited parts if the courts find a reflection of the author's thoughts or reflections among the agency's affected persons. The discovery revealed that the Securities and Exchange Commission did not register any statements about methods prohibited for the registration of banknotes. He added that the records were not discovered, that some facts were recorded, and some others were deliberately not allowed. The notes don't seem to reflect any individual author's comments. In the end, the interpretation of the court does not see in the records of the lawyer's communication with the client. Phelan also said that the Securities and Exchange Commission cannot object to the decision on review, since the judge did what the commission suggested. The resolution of January 13 mentions that the privilege cannot stop the issue of banknotes. The Ripple and XRP community has faced numerous delays in lawsuits over various issues. Phelan recalled that decisions on the detection of violations, feedback on additional expert detection and the detection of suspicious records of Estabrook have not yet been applied. The revision of these notes is simply added to the list. Ripple, XRP, turned down and dropped below the 20-day EMA, $0.81, on April 5. Today, sales continued and the price dropped below the 50-day SMA. The live XRP price today is $0.88 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740,000,000 United States dollars. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.